Whatever that is, I know it must make some kind of sense.